Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about the #1 money management rule when you are trading with Forex trading robots. I am in the Amazon rainforest right now and it is funny because it is raining. As you may know, it is the most biodiverse place on the entire planet. Now I am standing in a swamp, so there could be snakes, venomous snakes, spiders, and every kind of interesting animals that can crawl my feet. So let's hope that I can make this video and no wild animals will eat me. Now I will go down to the river, and I already saw a tarantula, but I was faster. So let's go down there. You don't see it because it is a deep jungle, but let's see. Okay, so about the expedition, I realized that there were like 1 million ants there that bites were so painful that I had to just come back, and I will find some better spot. Actually, I love the rain here because the weather is not cold. It is like 26 degrees Celsius. And the rain is just pouring on my umbrella or on my head, and it is just so nice. Look at that beautiful flower. What you can see in one direction is the Andes Mountains and the Pacific coast, and the other direction there are thousands of kilometers of Amazon of rainforest, basically, with the most biodiverse places on the earth. Okay, so let's go into the jungle again, because that is what we do on this channel. And I only have a thin shoe, not a some shoe that is for the rainforest. So let's see if I can make it. But first I will tell you that the whole video is all about this #1 thing that, in my opinion, is the most important when you are trading with robots, and that is basically the one rule that you should only carry one trade at once per currency pair when you are trading with a Forex trading robot, or any other trading robot, basically. And I see so many traders don't do this, and I just wanted to tell you that I tested thousands of strategies and VAs, and based on my experiences, when I adjusted these strategies to carry one trade at once per currency pair mode, they all got better in the long term. In the short term, of course not. Because for short term you can optimize any EA, basically, you can curve fit them, but that doesn't count. For the long term, like 20-year, 25-year period, they are all better if they carry one trade at once per currency pair. So think about that. Most EAs are using multiple entry strategies. What's the problem with that? Based on my statistics, the problem is that they enter the market when the price is not in their favor, but when the price is going in the opposite direction than the original entry, and then their profits. And the problem is that it is kind of the same mentality as with the martingale strategies and the lot size increasing strategies. It is a gambling tactic. It doesn't work. It is proven by mathematics. Just try out more diversification in your strategies, but less drama, so less multiple entry trading setups. And in my opinion, you will see the results. If you look closer, you can see that there is a beautiful, pristine river down there. I was actually swimming in it with my girlfriend the other day, and it is so good. And you can also drink it if you want. I hope this video was interesting for you, and this was just a quick tip for all the traders and all the algorithmic traders to just try out. And this tip is free for you, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I have a new Instagram profile where I post like full videos, infos about the robot updates, and pics from my adventures and everything. So follow me there. If you would be interested in some nomad trader vlogs about adventures as well, I am planning a new channel with a better camera, of course, because I'm traveling in some pretty interesting regions. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Ciao.